early careers team at AWE. We're a public body associated with the government, so we provide and maintain the nuclear deterrent for the UK government, and we hire the best in the STEM sector, so undergraduates, apprentices, graduates from sciences, engineering and business backgrounds to help us do extraordinary things.
Hi, I'm Grace, the marketing placement student here at RateMyPlacement. Our company is the UK's leading job board for students seeking paid placements, internships and insight schemes. We work with over 140 universities and over 300 of the top student employers to help students from all degree backgrounds find their perfect role.
Hi there, my name's Isabel. I'm an early talent officer here at TEACHFIRST. If you don't know much about TEACHFIRST, we're an educational charity and we're working towards our mission of ending educational inequality in the UK. We offer graduates a 2-year fully funded and salaried teacher training programme in which you train, work and qualify as a full-time teacher in one of our partner schools.
So the Careers and Placements Fair is a really busy day, so I would expect a lot of talking. Employers will be really keen to hear about you, your background, your interests, why you're keen on talking to them. So have a little bit of an idea of what employers you're keen to talk to.
This is a great opportunity to make a good first impression, network and discover so many companies you wouldn't have necessarily found if you didn't attend the Careers Fair. We would suggest coming on your own so that you can make the most out of the experience.
What we'd love to see from you if you're coming to the Careers and Placements Fair is coming to us with any questions about anything that you'd like to know about the training programme, about TEACHFIRST, our mission, the impact that we've had, and being really open to thinking about this opportunity, even if it's something that you've not thought about before, and just learning a little bit about what your career in teaching could look like.
We can't wait to meet you at the fair. We're going to have a really great range of colleagues from AWE joining us, including some wonderful graduates. And they'll be really keen to tell you about the graduate programme and how they found it so far. And we'll also be really keen to speak to you if you're looking at doing undergraduate placement. Hopefully we can tell you about the programme we have on offer.
I'm really looking forward to meeting you at the Careers Fair. Our applications are now open for our training programme and our taster programme, so do come with any questions that you have and we'll be more than happy to have a chat with you.